In this module, you'll learn how to use Dext's automation feature to streamline supplier management by automating invoices from regularly used suppliers, reducing repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and simply handling supplier records far more efficiently. When you have frequently used suppliers that provide consistent items, you can fully automate the process and avoid manual repetitive work by creating supplier rules. Supplier rules establish routine behaviors that take effect whenever a document from a specific supplier is uploaded into Dext. We recommend setting supplier rules when you upload a document. This helps you create the rules the first time you load and start leveraging automation from the very start. After you've uploaded your document, navigate to the item details and go ahead and click Set Supplier Rules. This will open a pop-up menu of options you can set for this account. These settings tell Dext how you want to treat future invoices that come in from this very supplier. You can automate things like default tax, payment method, due dates, and even category. Fill in the details for each field that you would like to automate every time a document is loaded from this supplier. By default, the system will apply the supplier rules to all items in your inbox from this supplier. If you do not want Dext to automatically apply to items already in your inbox, then untick the box at the bottom of the pop-up screen. When finished, simply go ahead and click Apply. You can also access supplier settings in the Cost workspace. Head over to Costs, then to Suppliers. This page lists all suppliers you've purchased from. From here, you can edit, merge, or even delete suppliers. To edit a supplier's settings, click on the supplier's name. This will open the supplier's details page, and you will see the same options to customize. Again, category, tax percentage, or even payment method. Bonus tip. If you notice a supplier has been added multiple times in error, you can merge duplicates to keep your supplier list super organized. To find duplicate suppliers, select the Supplier Duplicates button. This will open a pop-up window to share if any duplicate suppliers were actually found. Supplier statements help ensure that every invoice listed in a supplier statement matches exactly to your accounting records. To submit a supplier statement, go ahead and click Add Document and then go to Supplier Statements. Step 1, go ahead and drag and drop your PDF into the green upload box. Step 2, once uploaded, the supplier statement will appear in your supplier statements inbox. Sometimes supplier statements are accidentally sent to your cost inbox. If this happens, you can easily move the supplier statement from the cost inbox over to the supplier statement space by selecting it and using the Move To button. Each supplier statement has a status: to review, ready, reconciled. Step 1, click on any statement to open the supplier statements details page. Step 2, Dext will automatically attempt to match each invoice against the existing documents in the Dext account. And if you're connected to Xero or QuickBooks Online, it will compare against your existing records. When you're on the supplier statements details page and you go to the reconciliation section, it will list every invoice found in that supplier statement, and each will be given a status that outlines where Dext has found the relevant documents. First up, we have in payables only. This means the item has only been detected in your Xero and QuickBooks, but nowhere else. In Dext only means that the item has been detected in Dext itself only. In payables and Dext, this is what everyone wants to see. This means that the item has been found in both Dext and Xero or QuickBooks. Missing, an item has been extracted from this statement but has not been found in Dext nor the accounting software. Now we have not on statement. An item that is found in the accounts payable report in the connected Xero or QuickBooks Online account, but this cannot be found in Dext. If an invoice is missing, you can request the missing paperwork through Dext. Step 3, to request missing invoices, click Request Paperwork. Enter the recipient's name and email address along with the details of the items you are requesting paperwork for. Then go ahead and click Send. Step 4, now that you're really happy, all your invoices are matched, go ahead and click Mark as Reconciled to confirm and archive the statement. By setting up supplier rules, you'll reduce manual data entry and make your bookkeeping far more efficient. Now, go ahead, it's your turn. To complete this module, you will now be asked to perform specific actions within the product. This is a hands-on activity and it's required in the certification process. The steps will be listed below the video, and your actions will be tracked in real time to verify completion. So please complete these steps before you move ahead to the next video.